All right, so this is the post-market review. As you can see, I took a big hit this week. Um, Two major losses. One, this 1,000 is from one day alone. The 700 from like another day. Um, yeah, there to go. Just sheesh. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. I think some of these were pairs, so I got into like multiple contracts. We hear like these two here, right? These are I believe are add-ons. No, probably took the opposite direction. So I got burnt. Not gonna lie. After having a consistent winning back-to-back days, like maybe I don't know how to explain it. Let me see here. Whatever. I'm gonna show this. Let's go. Let's go from. All right. Let's go June 1st because I know. Yeah. All right. So technically I'm positive, but I'm still negative. Let's go further out. Actually, let's go to. Can we go to May? Do we even have May? No. Too far. Let's go here. Too far. Here. Too far. Okay. Let's go a little further in, so that way we can see what I am exactly. All right. So 17. So 17 looked like this when I started this. Okay. So this would actually be my total P&L because of fees. So basically, I made 487, which is kind of like where I'm at now with this account, 487, up 47, but I'm close to blowing the account. So, but prior to these losses, as you can see, I had just some strong winning days. Even I think this day here, what day is it, 24th? 24th was a big losing day, but I walked away, right? I left it under 500 and I walked away. Had other days where they just stayed positive. So I was going green for the most part, and then this week came and it was just a total chaos in my account. And I think it could be for a few things. I think it might be because I'm eating more sweet potato. I find myself around maybe an hour after the market opens. I can't focus. I can't keep my thoughts clear. Maybe I'm eating way too much sweet potato, or because I'm baking it instead of boiling it. But I did add sweet potato into my morning routine for breakfast, my morning breakfast meals, and that is the only variable that has really changed. I'm used to just eating bread, eggs, and some greens, and that's basically it. But I wanted more carbs in my routine besides eating just bread all the time. So I added sweet potatoes, and it's been affecting me. I'm not gonna lie. So this basically where I'm at right here, 487, 22 is where I'm up, and that's correct. But since I moved my max loss limit high from the 48,000, now it's up to 50,000. So I'm just like, I can't really let price go below this, or I lose the account and have to start over. But so that's one thing I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna work on changing my diet for breakfast before market starts, so that way I'm eating something that keeps me more focused and clear minded. And then I'm also gonna keep myself in the larger time frame. Like today, plenty of opportunities popped up. They made sense. I just couldn't focus. Um, right here is where we got one, but I was like, I need to lay down. I can't focus on the market. It's just I just could not keep my thoughts clear. Um, it was a 5 minute right here, right? I laid down probably right at this time or right before it. Missed that opportunity, and then this came up again, and I still couldn't keep myself clear and clear minded. I was looking at it, but just could not focus to pull the trigger. This happened, and then we had another retest similar to the same areas, and another pullback. So it looks good on the 5 minute, but I'm gonna clear it up on the 30 minute. and maybe even the 15. So this one here, I was looking for a green candle. I noticed that this 15-minute bar, this 30-minute bar closed below, and then we also had a close below here on Heikin Ashi. So I said, okay, I'm looking for a green candle, retest, and then reversal. This was going into the noon session, so I didn't go into the trade right away. I was following it, and I said, okay, looks like it's time to go, but I didn't take the trade. Price dropped. Price dropped a tremendous amount of points. If I go to the 1 minute here, let me zoom out, and it feels like my back testing really helped that I was doing yesterday. So this would have been my entry right here. Stop loss right about there. So about how many points is that? 5 points. Price dropped. Boom. 10. Push. Boom. 20. And took us all the way down to a 2-2 and then some. Right? Dropped about 31 points. Right? 31 points. So this trade right here would have just been good. This 11 points, just waiting for a price to just do its thing and then drop even more, because I would need it to go below this. Right? And then once it starts to drop, stop loss right around here, drop even further, boom. Right? Here was the one that I missed over here. This was a nice breakout, and could have got the entry as this is breaking out right around here. That, let me delete the other one. So this was where I took my nap. Unfortunately, I had to say that. I was just gonna wait. I was just too tired to focus. I walked away and I said, let me just lay down for like 10 minutes. So here, same thing. A good 15, 17 points would have been perfect. Just take this. Probably got to exit around 14. This would have been good. This would have made up some of my loss for the week. I like this 10K volume that came in. Price broke down, came back, retested it, dropped down. And I'm going to get into the 30-minute to see what I was looking at. So in the 30-minute, I did speak about that. So in the 30-minute, I spoke about how we had a break below, looking for a green reversal. We did get a green reversal right here. Right here. So now when we came back up, I could have looked for a pullback. A channel. So we have this nice green volume that pushed up, looking for a channel break. So right here, bring that out like that. Time just changed a little bit. Redraw. I'm not gonna redraw this channel yet. Let's go to the 1 minute to get a clearer look. So those are two opportunities, and then this is the third one that we're looking at right now. This is end of day. So like, okay, I'm gonna have to redraw this. So like something like this. And if we look at NQ, we're also coming back to retest. So then just take price right back down, taking the break right about here. Stop loss right up there. And if they run 5 points, boom, track it, maybe get stopped out for 10 points. This would have just been like perfect trades, like just perfect price action, and everything made sense. Everything was clear, and hindsight is much better than foresight for the most part. But seeing it and backtesting, this is what I backtested last night. I'm going to continue doing some more backtesting, and everything just worked out nicely. I didn't use VIX or NQ for my backtesting, just ES. These are the things that I want to look for as far as my levels and where to get into the trade. I didn't look for any longs yet. I was scouting for longs. I was waiting for the green on the Heikin Ashi, but never got any buying We had the wicks, but never got any buying, so I stayed out for the longs and just waited for the longs to show itself or the shorts to continue on. And that's what we got here. And I just felt much better. Even though I didn't trade, I felt much better just watching the charts and having a great idea of what was happening. So I'm going to look forward to this for next week or whenever they come up. So looking for the same ideas, just using the Heikin Ashi. And I didn't use the 15-minute chart, but a 15-minute chart did help present this right here, this green candle here, and then that sell off. Same thing with a green candle here and sell off. We didn't get it for that 11:15. I think it was 11:15 drop. What time was that? 11:25 drop. This is the 11. Yeah, started at 11:15. No, started at 11:20 to 11:25. So it didn't. Sorry, let me just go into it. I am very here. There it is. So 11:20 to 11 like 23. That drop. Boom. So the 15-minute chart didn't present that, but I learned to just be patient and just wait for what made sense. This made a lot more sense. I wanted to take this trade down so badly, but I just didn't. I didn't. I don't know. It was hard to pull the trigger. It was hard to focus. Like I said, I'm gonna get rid of those sweet potatoes out of my morning routine for breakfast and replace them with something else that helps give me the attention that I need. Probably go back to eating the mushrooms or yeah, mushrooms and spinach, even though they take longer to make. But the mushroom and spinach and with my eggs, because I felt much more focused when I was eating those. I had a consistent good week when I started eating the sweet potatoes. As you can see, that's where I'm at with it, just focus wise. Just felt like, and also felt like I was being rushed or rushing into the market at time, just needed to just like get a trade in or something. So yeah, just gonna go back to that. That's it for me for today. I should be reviewing this video later on because this clarifies exactly what I need to be looking for in my trades and how things should work out for the most part. So definitely loving the 30-minute in the Heikin Ashi, and looking on probably adding the 15 minutes somewhere in here, maybe with this Heikin Ashi, not sure, and then keeping the 5 and 15 minute, 5 and 1 minute away from my away from my main view, and then just going to them when I need to look for an entry after I have my channel. That's it for today.